Welcome to the Ways of Seeing audio session from the Wildlife Photographer of the Year exhibition at the Royal Albert Memorial Museum. My name's Dr. Jo Gosling, a mindfulness teacher and artist. With over 20 years' experience and training in these practices, I'm thrilled to share this session with you. This is a time when you can give yourself a break in your day, a precious pause, and focus on the words and sounds you hear over the next few minutes, engaging your curiosity with a mindfulness practice on a wonderful artifact. Mindfulness encompasses various aspects, including bringing attention to our senses in the present moment without judging the experience. This session will focus on the sense of seeing and the senses in the body. When we slow down, it soon becomes obvious how busy our minds are, as well as the mind's tendency to judge our experiences. So I invite you, as best you can, to allow daily concerns or worries to be in the background of your experience and shift into a way of being that allows you to feel more settled, whatever is going on elsewhere in your life. Also for this session, seeing if it's possible to incline your mind in a kindly way towards yourself and your experience, the way you might towards a pet or a small child. We'll be exploring the wildlife image titled Surprise. Before doing so, I'd like to invite you to take a moment to ground yourself. Finding a comfortable position in sitting or standing and allowing your posture to be both relaxed and attentive. Soften your gaze and sense the soles of your feet by feeling them on the ground. Now, if it feels comfortable for you to focus on the breath, taking a full in-breath, feeling your chest expand, and on releasing into a slow, long out-breath, sensing a letting go in your body, letting your shoulders drop and any tension to drain down through your body into the ground. Enjoy a couple more rounds of in-breaths and out-breaths, seeing if you can feel the air coming in and out of your body. If the breath isn't a comfortable place for you, then focusing on the soles of the feet being supported by the ground from underneath. Notice how your body is feeling right now. So with your gaze soft, allowing your eyes to slowly scan over the whole image depicting a scene in nature. You might notice that your thinking mind begins to label things and tries to make sense of what's happening in the photograph. Our thinking minds naturally do this to try and make sense of the world. It's helpful to be aware that the mind does this in most situations, but because it's using frames of reference based on previous experiences, sometimes it means we miss new things because the brain is expecting to see what it's used to seeing. So, learning how to look while setting aside the running commentary of our mind can reveal more of reality to us. Looking at the creatures, do you notice any emotion evoked by these? Sensing into your body, you might be able to feel these emotions in the body. It's fine if you can't. Your experience with your experience. If you do feel emotion in the body, what does that feel like? Taking a pause and a breath, let's return to the image. Now, focusing your vision on the form that is a tree, seeing how the folds appear to vary in thickness, and the size of this tree, giving an indication of its age. You might be reminded of how trees offer sanctuary to so many creatures, giving refuge to their precious lives. We know that being in nature, being able to enjoy what the landscape offers, whether it's woodland or vast expanses of land, has a positive impact on well-being. I invite you to consider the trees that you pass on a daily basis when out and about. Could you pause and notice their details with fresh eyes, taking them in as a way of slowing down a busy mind and appreciating the beauty of everyday things? How might you bring the peace of still things into your everyday life in order to build a sense of calm within? And drawing this session to a close, if the breath feels a comfortable place to return to, sensing that as a steady anchor. Notice how your body feels with the breath entering and leaving your body. Take a moment to acknowledge that you've given yourself this break, a pause in your day. If you're feeling settled and if you'd like to, you could set an intention to bring this feeling with you to the rest of your day. Expand your awareness now to take in the surroundings of wherever you are. May you be safe and well.